Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We are the highest rated printer service center nationwide. If you're interested in learning how to receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs. Okay, today we're going to be working on an HP M425. The problem we're having is the customer's complaining that anytime they make copies or scans at the top document feeder, they're getting lines or some kind of a blemish on their pages. That's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the scanner, and if you notice in this particular model there's actually two separate pieces of glass. There's a large piece of glass which is for the flatbed scanner, and there's a small piece of glass on the left side of the printer. And on that small piece of glass is where the document feeder actually scans. So that's where we're going to want to primarily focus our cleaning. In order to clean it, we're going to use your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have glass cleaner, you can use rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is preferred. And we're going to use a lint-free cloth. And we're going to apply the glass cleaner to your cloth, never to the printer. If you apply the glass cleaner to the printer, there's a good chance that it can seep underneath the glass. It could actually cause a lot more problems than you're fixing. So we're going to apply the cleaner to our cloth, and then once we've done that, we're going to come over and we're going to look for anything where that there might be some ink buildup or white out, maybe a piece of tape. Those are really common to find on the scanner glass. And once you kind of figure out where your problem area is at, we're just going to clean it really, really well. Again, making sure that any obvious problems cleaned off. Alright, I'm happy with the way that looks, but while we're here, these flatbed scanners are really prone to getting fingerprints and things like that on them, so I might as well just go ahead and wipe that off while we're here. Okay, I'm happy with the way that looks, so we'll close this back up. And now I would recommend running a couple test scans or copies through the machine just to make sure that all those blemishes or lines go away. If not, repeat this process and that should take care of your problem, and other than that, you should be back up and printing.